Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. I'm going to show you guys this really cheap and quick hack to keep your thigh-high boots up all night. So if you want to see, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so what happened is, where did I find it? What aisle? Health and beauty? No. Okay, so okay, yes, here we go. Automotive hardware. Okay, so this is where you're gonna find the Velcro strips. Okay, yes, so this is what I used. The hook and loop fastener. Okay, it's a 10-piece and it comes with the Velcro, one soft, one spiky. So I usually get 2 packs of these depending on how big your leg is. Okay, that's how many packs you're gonna want to get. I got some thick thighs. All right, so boom. So a couple of things I want to note is that this adhesive is meant for, like, you know, floors and stuff like that. So in the state that I don't want to irritate my skin, then I went and got some athletic tape. Okay, this is actually meant for your body, but with anything, you know, you want to be careful as far as things may irritate your skin and stuff like that. But they got all kinds of like medical tape, paper tape, athletic tape. Why am I out of breath? Paper tape, athletic tape. Okay, they even had this waterproof foam tape, but I went ahead and bought the athletic tape. Now, although I didn't use the athletic tape that night, the adhesive did not break my legs out, but I did buy some, and I'm going to show you guys how to put that on your legs. Okay, so you can't beat that for $2 or $3 or maybe even $1, depending on if you only need 1 pack. Okay, and you don't use the athletic tape. So okay, so first things first, you want to make sure your legs are dry. Okay, please excuse me. Yes, my legs is hairy and probably ashy, but you do not want any lotions or oils or shea butters. You don't want any of that on your legs. Okay, so gonna have to oil up or moisturize up after you put your boots on. So I'm going to show you guys, excuse me, I'm going to show you guys both with the tape and without the tape. Okay, so you're going to want to pull your boots up. Okay, have them sitting where you want them to be, right? And then this is the athletic tape or the medical tape, and you're going to place the tape right under where the height of the top of the, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, right there. Okay, so then you want to wrap the tape around. Don't pull it too tight because it's going to make your leg look like it's bulging out. You can kind of see here how it's starting to do that already, so you want to be careful. But place the tape around. Okay, I'm gonna loosen it up just a little, but be careful when you first put it on because you want this to be as sticky as possible. You don't want to keep lifting it on and off because it will take away from some of the adhesive. Okay, and then boom, here goes our Velcro. And what I like to do is I like to just take both of the sticky side and the soft side, sandwich it together. Oh, I sandwiched the wrong part. Okay, sandwich it together like this. Stick it on here. Pull it up. And I like to really press on it hard, like go ham. Press on it hard so that it is sticking. All right, and you want to do this all the way around. So boop, boop, boop. I say every inch or so, put a piece of Velcro on there because these boots are going to stay up all night. Now, this worked for me for 4 hours, okay? Now, I didn't use the tape this night because I was in a rush, so I just did it this way. Once again, take the Velcro. Now, like I said before, be careful because this could irritate your skin. I'm not telling you to use this if you have sensitive skin, okay? But I just stuck it on there like that, and I lifted it up, and I pressed it down hard, made sure it was really on there. And like I said, I put it every inch or so because my thighs are big, and I did not want these rolling down. Now, I don't want to use up all my little Velcro, but just imagine you putting it every inch. One right here, one right here, one right here, all around the circumference of your leg, okay? And that thing is gonna stay on there, all right? And that is my little thigh high boot hack. I hope you guys found this helpful. If anybody tries this out, please let me know down in the comment section, okay? This worked for me for 4 hours this way, skin to skin contact with this adhesive, okay? So let me know what you think. All right. Bye, you guys. Bye.